Hello, children, how are you? I hope and wish all of you are in a very good spirit. Children, our Lord Almighty will surely hear our prayers, and soon we will be able to overcome this problem of COVID 19. Only follow the do's and don'ts in this time of crisis. Yes, so children, now let's begin with our second lesson in SST. But before that, answer few questions. Which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of a globe. But can you tell me what is a globe? Yes, a globe is a round model of the earth. Very good. Now, next question is, what do we see on a globe? Yes, think. Yes, we can see countries and places marked on a globe. My next question is, can you find India on the globe? If yes, how? Yes, we can find India on the globe with a system of imaginary lines on it. Yes, children, now let us begin with our new lesson. So our new lesson is parallels and meridians. In this lesson, we are going to study about the parallels of latitudes, the meridians of longitude, and most important, how to locate the places. Now, first of all, start with our important terms. First one is poles. Poles are the end points at the top or bottom of the Earth's axis. Second, parallels. Parallels are the lines of latitude, and meridians, we call meridians the lines of longitude. Children, there are some interesting facts as well. First one is, India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. Yes, as you all know that equator divides the earth into two halves, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. So, India lies completely in the northern hemisphere. The second one is the Tropic of Cancer. It divides India into almost two equal parts. Is it interesting? Yes. Now let's start with our lesson. A globe is a small model of the earth. As we all know, when we look at the globe, we see several countries and places marked on it. To find any place on a globe or a map, we use a system of imaginary lines which run from east to west and north to south on them. These imaginary lines are known as the latitudes and longitudes. The point on the north where the longitudes join is called the North Pole, and the point on the south where they join is called the South Pole. So with the help of this picture, we can understand these are the lines of latitudes. It makes the complete circle. And longitudes, these are the lines of longitudes. So children, these are latitudes and longitudes. Now, as I told you, the point on the North Pole, this is your North Pole. Here, this is where the longitude join. These longitudes join here on the North Pole. So this is called North Pole. And where in the south, where the lines join, that is called the South Pole.